Hey, it's Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. You know me, I am not a financial advisor. This is just for fun and entertainment. And you know what? You take an old guy, 70 years old. I'm going to show you with the videographer here with Chance what we found to be maybe the fastest way to get Safemoon, to buy Safemoon. And first you have to go to your app store and download the Trust Wallet. Okay, so let's go, and I'm dumb as a box of rocks. So you're seeing this live right here, right now. I'm going to get into my phone. Okay, then I'm going to go to the App Store. Yep. I'm at the Trust Wallet. I touched Get. I don't do many apps. Okay, so I touched the Get. I typed in Trust Wallet before. So now we're going to do the install. And I'm going to install it. Okay, and I'm kind of smiling because I'm really doing something that I don't know much about. Yeah, there it is. Down there. Okay, so open. Now there we have our Trust Wallet. Create a new wallet. Okay, so go ahead and create the wallet. All right, you guys get the fun of stopping it and listening and looking and going back. Okay, so privacy policy I have read and accept, of course. If I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. Okay, so I understand that. I hit continue. So here's all of my words, and I've got to copy them down. Okay, I need to write down these words to enable me to get a recovery if I lose my wallet or my phone or something that it's in. Okay, so here's one. Okay, I've got my code written down that they send me for a recovery, and so now I'm going to hit continue. Okay, tap the words to put them next to each other in the correct order. So I hope I wrote them down in the right order, because this is the only way you can recover them. Okay, so we have that one, and then we have that one. And now let's see if I did it right. Oh, okay. Your wallet was successfully created. Now I hit OK. Trust would like to send you notifications. Okay, and I guess I'm going to say allow because, yeah, I want them to be able to talk to me. I'm on my home screen, and the first thing I got to do is add Safemoon to the list to my home screen. All right, so I'm scrolling. I got to type in the search bar. I just thought you had to look for it and touch it, but okay. So I'm going to touch my screen up here, my search bar. A-M. Safemoon. Okay, it came up after I put in Safe and M. So I'm going to touch. I guess I turned it on. I don't know. I think that added it. Okay, and then
there it is.
Okay, Safemoon is there.
All right.
I have no idea what I'm supposed to do right now.
Next step, we're going to have to transfer some money into your Trust Wallet account.
Okay. So then we got the BNB Smart Chain. Okay, buy Smart Chain. Yeah, I mean, I'm at a loss because I don't really know how to buy.
So now here's where the conversion happens, Brad. You're going to have to buy that Smart Chain first. How much of the Smart Chain do you want to convert?
$500.
Let's do it.
Okay. Now I'm going to put in $500. Okay, dollars. And just to be safe, I guess I put in 500. All right. So then we go to next. Man, I'm figuring this out along with you guys. I just have a helper, so that's good. Now we have to type in what card we're going to take the money out of, and I'm going to use a debit card, and that would be, go down here. Okay. And right now I'm using a debit card because if I use a debit card, I don't get charged the transaction fee that a credit card will. And that's a good thing. And besides that, I don't have any credit cards in line. Okay, it should work. So now I'm going to hit done. Okay, I have. It says save the card for future purchases. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. So you got to check that one. I'd like to receive occasional email offers. I don't know whether I should do. I guess I should trust the outfit. We go to next. Okay, it changed, and it says you buy 1.230432219 BN.
Yep.
Okay, and I'm doing a total of $500, and now I got to do the billing address. Okay, so that's easy. Just a second. A little bit of a process. Okay, now it works. You got to learn this stuff. Like I said, I'm doing this for the first time. I didn't rehearse anything. All right, so now it says pay now. All right, and on my card, details, P.O. boxes are not supported. So that means I have to put in my physical address. Okay. Didn't know that. Didn't say so. So let's go. Okay, United States. All right, and so now I'm going to hit pay now. Verify your email. So that means I probably got to go to my email.
Yep.
And look at the code. Can I do email faster here?
Yep.
Yeah. REAGA. Okay, now we log in. This is a good thing about having your computer handy while you're filling this out. Okay,
Yeah, right there.
Simplex.
Mm-hmm. Type that in.
Okay, now we're going to type in the number. Credit card is being validated. Upload identity document. Okay, I'm at where it's asking for my identity, and I assume this is a drop down. Okay, here, so ID, driver's license. Okay, and so far it's thinking. So let's see. So take a photo. Yeah, that might work. Okay, let's go ahead and do one of the back because I know I've been asked before. Okay, upload document. Okay, it asks for my expiration date. See it? Okay, yeah, now you're right, 7/23. Well, you definitely have to be a little bit smart on stuff, okay, or you're not going to get this figured out very easy. No wonder my cousin said the other day, well, this is a process. Your payment is being authorized. Your payment request is being processed. Return to trust wallet. Okay, so the address thing must have worked. So I went back to my main screen. I go through my apps. It's the last one. It's a white with a blue shield. You hit trust. Oh, look at that! It went through. Okay, so oh my God, would you look at that? Look at how much fees they took on the initial. Okay, I spent $500. I have $430. So that means they actually took $70 on the first go around getting it set up. That's probably the wallet and everything, and the transaction fee. So let's go. All right. So okay, my next step is to open up Safari browser, and then I'm going to type in. This right here, it's an address, I guess. So, A-B-L-E, yep, L-E. Okay, and then hit go, I guess, down here at the bottom. Okay, so I typed in the address here in my Safari search bar and came up here, and it says open. So now I'm going to open it. And oh, look at this now. The browser emblem is there. That's cool.
Here's where it gets exciting.
I'm going to buy some Safemoon now. Okay. So we hit the browser. Okay, it's loading. Okay, and it says Pancake Swap. Okay, so there it is, Pancake Swap. And I guess I touched that. I like my pancakes with syrup. Okay, and so we're going to unlock the wallet.
Trust.
Okay, so we hit the trust wallet. All right, and I'm going to go to Safemoon, select token, and then search up here. I think. Okay, it's there. See, notice in trading Safemoon. Okay, taxes is 10% fee on each transaction. 5% fee redistributed to all existing holders. Okay, I'm going to hit I understand and continue, and I believe we go up here. Okay, then I have to change this one right here and back that up, and then go to the numbers, which would be 12%. Okay, so hit done. And
Okay.
You know what? I'm glad I have a tutor helping me here, and I am getting tired, and it is a little bit of a process, but watch the videos and stuff. So now I guess I hit swap, and maybe we're done. Maybe not. Okay, now confirm the swap. All right, make sure that you trust this site. Okay, send. Transaction submitted. Okay, I'm back to the main screen and I'm going to hit my wallet. Okay, down here. So do that. I don't know, do it again. You kind of do that and see what happens. $440.73. I'm not really sure it moved yet. Evidently, I have 87,762,406 point 4582 Safemoons. So now I guess we just have to wait a little bit. I think we've got it done. We got it bought. We have everything done. This is Brad Buckner, sharpersbest.com. You take care, and Safemoon to you too. Okay, this is really cool. I guess I'm making money already because I'm going to refresh the page. So right now, let's look at 21.65, or no, let's look at 65. I'm looking around the 6513, and so I refreshed the page. It actually went down a little bit.
Look at this number. No, 427, 427.
Oh, that's right. Geez,
right.
Yeah,
it went up.
So it went up. All right, and so we got to look at the 427.51. There it went to 32.88. So actually, I'm making money off of the percentage. Now, when other people come in, that part of that 12% is a fund that gets set aside to the people who are already in. So that's pretty cool, actually. Let's do it one more time. So it's at 32.88. Let's call it. Okay, so it's still 34.49. So it went up just a little bit. All right, this could be addicting because even though that's down past the decimals and everything else, you're actually making money by other people coming in. And over a period of time, and as Safemoon goes up, I'm pretty sure it will, we'll go from like 0.00042 or something like that. And it's going to be fun, and I don't have much invested in it, but we'll take you along for the ride. So this is Brad Buckner signing off for tonight. Safemoon to the moon. Here we go.